The green lizard's displacement, an ecological and economic tale. In the American Southwest and Southeast, an ecological drama is unfolding. The green anole, a beloved native lizard, is being displaced by the aggressive brown anole, an invasive species. But how did this happen? And what does it mean for our ecosystems and even for us? Green anoles, or Anolis carolinensis, are native to the southeastern United States and essential contributors to local biodiversity. As insect predators, they naturally manage pest populations, acting as guardians of crops and contributing to environmental stability. These lizards embody nature's delicate balance, helping to keep habitats resilient. Green anoles play a keystone role in ecosystems, maintaining balance by controlling insect populations. Their contribution extends beyond predation. They recycle nutrients within ecosystems and serve as prey for larger species like birds and snakes. Protecting them means preserving the well-being of countless interconnected species. The invasive brown anole, native to Cuba and the Bahamas, opportunistically migrated to the U.S. via the global trade in tropical plants. Escaping natural predators, this aggressive species spreads rapidly in urban landscapes and wild habitats alike, disrupting ecological harmony. The rise of the brown anole is closely tied to the $25 billion U.S. landscaping industry. Imports of low-cost tropical plants often bypass stringent inspections, introducing stowaway species like the brown anole. Meanwhile, exotic gardening trends create perfect habitats for invasive lizards, deepening the ecological imbalance. Brown anoles outcompete green anoles, dominating ground habitats while forcing green anoles to higher tree canopies. This displacement decreases their access to food, shelter, and resources, leading to a sharp decline in green anole populations. Brown anoles disrupt food chains by preying on native insects indiscriminately and consuming eggs of smaller lizards. This destabilization reduces biodiversity, threatening ecosystem health and resilience. Over time, such imbalances weaken the natural equilibrium needed for sustainable environments. Human societies don't escape the effects of this ecological shift. Fewer green anoles mean rising mosquito populations, impacting public health and increasing the spread of diseases like West Nile, Zika, and dengue. Reduced pollination also harms agriculture, raising costs for pest control and crop maintenance. Today, green anoles survive in shrinking populations, confined to diminished pockets of habitat. Adaptive evolutions, like larger toe pads for climbing higher, showcase the resilience of nature. But these adaptations are a sign of survival under stress, not recovery. The loss of green anoles ripples through ecosystems. Without their predation, pests thrive unchecked, while critical pollinators fall prey to brown anoles. This imbalance could lead to fewer fruits and flowers, leaving both ecosystems and economies at risk. While eradicating brown anoles is nearly impossible, we can mitigate their impact. Restoring native habitats, reducing exotic plant imports, and promoting public awareness are critical steps to protect the green anole and its fragile ecosystem. Together, we can make ecological balance a community effort. The story of the green anole highlights how invasive species reshape ecosystems and affect us all. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting biodiversity, and advocating for stronger environmental policies, we can safeguard not only green anoles, but the health of our shared planet. You have the power to help. Learn more at website or organization name.